Hey, this is Jack at TC3. Today we're going to replace an air filter on an 08 through 12 Chevrolet Malibu. This is a 2.4 Ecotech engine, 4-cylinder. This particular one is an 08. So this is where your air cleaner is, and there's two just thumb clips you can just pull off. On this, you can actually get this lid off without removing these, but it's so much more difficult. So it just takes a few seconds. Flathead screwdriver, 2 screws on the clamps, those clamps, and just pull her off and put it to the side. Now this will come off real easy. You're just going to flip it over on its back, so you won't have to unplug your mass airflow sensor plug. That's it. But don't yank on the wires. So now you're just going to remove your air cleaner. Looks clean on the top, but yeah, it's dirty. So anyway, yeah, you know, most people have dust in their air box. I have acorns. So, regardless of what kind of dirt and debris you have up there, you can just clean that out. It'll be helpful. So you're going to put your new filter in, and there's a specific place it goes. Make sure it's seated right in that air filter enclosure box. Let's take a quick look, make sure she's right. This air box, this is a tight fit for the lid on this. The front, to install, first you got to get it down. There's an air conditioning tube that's in your way. It makes it a little more difficult. But the front side of this has 2 tabs that will slide into 2 slotted holes, and the back side is just going to have 2 clips. Now, if these don't go on fairly easy, it means that air filter probably moved and is not seated right, so you're going to need to take that off and do it again. And pretty much you're going to put your hoses on. As you can see, there's little cutouts and marks for these. This hose only goes on one way if it's not over those tabs. Like you see how the tab is with the hose. If that's not all lined up right, it's wrong. So you're going to tighten both of them. That's a flathead screwdriver, mass sensor still plugged in. All that's right. You can see all the little cutouts to make sure this is in the proper position, and they're tightened. You want to make sure they're tightened. And, really, that's about it. This is an easy project. If you've never done any car maintenance, this is a good place to start. Very simple. You can do it. Thank you for watching.